Hey y'all, how's it going? Hope everyone's doing super awesome today. Welcome to Zahatka. My name is Valentina, and today we have a little bit of a different video. So I ordered a Mrs. Quilty subscription box, and I'm gonna unbox it and see what it's all about because I have been contacted by them about doing an unboxing for them, but I wanted to see first for myself what it actually was. And yeah, so we're gonna go see what it's all about. So if you're ready to see what's in this box, hit that thumbs up button and let's open it. I only have one shot at this, right? Of doing it together on camera. So here's what it looks like when you open it. Quilt Left Love has a little booklet of, I guess, the projects that we're going to make. We'll take a little deeper of a dive into that after. Then here's some things it comes with. A 6x6 little square ruler. And then these things. I'm not sure what these things are, but that. And then all this fabric looks like it's a blue theme this month. Blue polka dot one, blue and red, a butterfly one, florally one, another polka dot one, florally, gingham, lined, floral. So this one's, I like this polka dot one. That's cute. That and that. So very blue theme. And it kind of feels like very low quality cotton. I don't know. And I don't know. It has that funny smell, you know. And that's all that comes in. I paid $33 for this, but that was at a discount. So off the bat, not very impressed, honestly. I can buy cheaper fabric if that's all it comes with. And then I'm assuming this is going to be what we're creating with it. Oh, and these little things are to keep your thread from unwinding. It's a little gift. And then it has, okay, so what's in your first box? And it's $83.93 value, which when I bought it, it said it was going to be $120 value. So, There's 12 fat quarters from the Vintage Garden collection. So all those fabrics worth $32. And then a ruler. It's a free gift worth $10.99, and the thread spool wraps worth $4.99, also a free gift. And cozy mosaic block project, and then color for pot holder project, quilted placement project, and a lunch bag project. I guess you get to create a block of the month, and then you get to put it all together and create a quilt with it after 1 year probably. And it has all the instructions and the little design options that you can do. And they also have video tutorials if you scan the QR code. And then it has the pot holder instructions and then video tutorial, I'm assuming. Yep, video tutorial. And then placemat, front side, back side. And then it gives you different design options. Video tutorial for that too, all the measurements and everything like that. And then the lunch bag, and it has all the things you'll need. Honestly, I'm kind of underwhelmed. I thought this would be more exciting. I don't know if other boxes are more exciting. For the price, I don't think it's worth it, for me at least. Also, you can find a lot of these tutorials online for free, but let's see how much it costs. So for the once a month, it's, if you just do month to month, it's $38.97 originally, and then you get, for 3 month subscription up front, you get billed $116, so it's a 9% discount, and your box ends up being $35.64. And then for the 6 month subscription, it's $233, billed once every 6 months for 11% discount of $34.80. And for 12 months, it's $467, billed once for 12 months, and it's a 12% discount of $34.39.
honestly, I mean, I got mine for $33 for the first time discount.
The free gifts, like this will probably get tossed in the trash. I'm just being honest. Like this is an honest. Overall, you get 4 patterns. Very basic patterns, 3 very basic ones, and then the fourth one, the lunchbox, I guess, is a more complicated pattern. You do get those video tutorials, and you don't have to search for anything. It's all in one place for you. So if you're just starting out, you could buy this. Kind of disappointed, honestly. Thought it would be more exciting. Well, if you want to try it, you can, but I don't recommend it. So yeah, that I don't think I will be. I know I won't be subscribing to it again because I don't feel like getting fabrics that I may not love. Because I mean, I don't love any of this, and the quality of these fabrics, I'll probably just end up using most of them for like lining inside my projects that I make. Sorry, I forgot to zoom out on that, but that's the Mrs. Quilty subscription box review from me. I did want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you found that useful. If you did want to try it, you see how it is for this. This was the month of May, and that's what it normally comes with, is just the 12 fat quarters and the 2 free gifts and the magazine with the 4 patterns in it. So if you want to try it, that's up to you, but I do not recommend. And I do just want to say a big thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you could consider liking, subscribing, sharing, and all that good stuff, that helps me out. And I really hope to see you again next time. Bye bye for now.